bring on this next group. They go by their name, the Shepherds, which is their full last name. But Quentin Shepherds is the pastor of a church down in Kaelin, Georgia, Sandersville, Georgia, which is the chalk capital of the world. And he pastors a church there. It's a family group. And normally their son, who is 11, plays the drums. I think that's kind of nice. Did you know you can't beat a broken drum? It's like serving the Lord. You just can't beat it, you know. And his son plays the drums, and his twin daughters sing. But today we're seeing the older adults. Deborah, she does most of the writing of the song, and she has written their great song, There's a Miracle in the Making, and many of her songs are sung by other groups as well. They also have been known to have their music sung throughout Russia. I think that's wonderful, from Middle Georgia all the way to Russia. Let's make them welcome to the GMT stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the Shepherds from Sandersville, Georgia. And here they are.
Aren't you glad today that God's not dead? He's still now. He's a now God. God is.
God is everything I need, everything I need. God is God. He is Jehovah Jireh, the Lord God my provider. God is. He is Jehovah Rapha, the one who heals my body. God is God. God is everything I need, everything I need. God is God. He is Jehovah Shalom. That's where my peace comes from. God is. He's a strong and mighty tower, the one who has all power. God is God. God is everything I need, everything I need. God is God. He's one who fed 5,000 with 2 loaves and some fishes. God is my God. And when I need someone to talk to, he's always there to listen. God is God. Oh, God is God. Everything I need, everything I need. God is God. He's God in the Father, God in the Son, He's God in the Holy Ghost. Only one I know, God is God. My God won't ever change. I know God is God. He always will be God. He's God in the Father, He's God in the Son, God in the Holy Ghost. Only one I know, God is God. My God won't ever change. I know God is God. He always will be God. Well, now God is Lord to everything I need, everything I need. Yes, He is.
Oh, yes. And those of you that feel forsaken and all alone, this song is for you. God has not forgotten you.
You're facing a hard time. Your rope's at its end. You think you've lost your very last friend. And though it may seem that way, there'll be a brighter day. 'Cause God has not forgotten you. God has not forgotten come to an end. But up there in heaven, where nobody cries, there'll never be any more goodbyes. Christians never say goodbye for the last time. There's a meeting place for those saved by grace in the sky. So if you have loved ones who died in the faith, that's not the end, just a resting place. Christians never say goodbye for the last time. The last time we saw Mama down here, she was so weak in body and frail from her years. She told all the children, don't you dare cry. Meet you up yonder where we'll never say goodbye. And Christians never say goodbye for the last time. Yeah, there's a meeting place for those saved by grace in the sky. If you have loved ones who died in the faith, that's not the end, just a resting place. Christians never say goodbye for the last time. No, Christians never say goodbye for the last time. It's a blessed hope of the church. There's a meeting place for those saved by grace in the sky. Oh, and if you have loved ones who died in the faith, that's not the end, just a resting place. Christians never say goodbye for the last
Wonderful. The shepherds, aren't they great? The shepherds, wonderful job, wonderful